This is my 2003 Chevy. This is my 2003 Chevy Silverado that I'm putting a 1954 Belair body on. Yeah, kind of looks like a Jeep right now. No, nothing. Okay. Yep, I know. I get it. Let's get to work. I don't even know why they put doors on vehicles. They just get in the way. This is way more convenient. It's under control. I got it. Ooh, new shop seat? Maybe. It's like 150 degrees out today again. But that's okay. I love summer. Yeah! Back and forth. Oops, I broke it. It's fine. It's fine. Yep, Yep, just dandy. Ow. Oops. It's supposed to do that. Okay, maybe it wasn't supposed to do that. I know I haven't told you the plan yet. That's because you're probably not going to agree with it or approve. But I'm going to do it anyways. These aren't like the old windows where you can pull a seal out and pop the window out. They're glued in with urethane and I ain't got no piano wire or nothing to get it out. I could just bust it to get it out, but I don't really want to make that kind of a mess. And the cab's got to come off anyways. So what I'm going to do is take the old butter knife here and I'm just going to zip that thing off, make this bitch a convertible. Yep, just keep making it smaller and smaller until it's easier to deal with. Yep, that's what I'm doing. Because I have got to get some of this out of here. I got no room to work. Have you taken the insurance off this yet?
No, you told me not to.
Probably can now.
Okay.
There, just like that. Yep. It's fine. Yes. Yes, I am. I am going straight through the windshield. I learned from the last windshield I cut through, I want a little more protection. Call me crazy. Yes, I have glass in my gloves. Oop, and shards in my arm, and I'm bleeding. No stopping. Do I get help? Probably. In my defense, before this goes horribly wrong, I did ask for help and nobody showed up. So I can't wait any longer. It's freaking hot out here and I'm done. So I just want to get this off so I can get inside and I can get cooled off. Because as you can see, yeah. Besides, what's the worst that can happen other than it all falls apart and breaks and crashes and makes a huge mess? That I spend another hour out here cleaning up. I mean, there's that. Not nervous at all. Yep, this is going great so far. Uh-oh. I'm sure it's fine. That slow crashing sound is nothing to be worried about. Uh-oh. Easy. Ah! We'll just weld it back on there maybe. No, just kidding. I can't lift both sides at the same time. Okay, I may have got it stuck. We're getting there. Inch by inch. Oh, come on. Ow. Ah. Just sliced my arm. That hurt. Whoa. Easy. What if we nap time these seats? But as far as you nap time, oh, come on. Oh, I don't have enough hands. We're getting there. Now what? Now what do I do? This all seems safe. Why do I keep moving that way? That's not good. Oh, jeez. Oops. Don't wreck those. Oh boy. I can't lift that side. And this side. Uh-huh. Yep. Ooh, I got it to here.
I said don't. You promised you wouldn't.
Don't cut your hands. You need gloves on. Go get some gloves.
I don't know where my gloves are.
So apparently after hot rodding the truck a little bit yesterday, I come out to the garage today to find that. Seems to have happened is this brake line is, well, it's corroded and busted, and I didn't know this stuff even rusted. This looks like that copper nickel stuff. But apparently that rusts and corrodes too, or it was just cheap, I don't know. But, look, it's still leaking. The good thing is I'm taking the body off. I'll fix it then.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want, and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out.